Yo guys, we didn't get a shot drop for the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats, not even for the Air Jordan 5 Reimagined, man. What is going on with the shot drops, the exclusive accesses? What is going on, Nike and Jordan brand? It's a totally different twist, and I think I'm onto something, and I think I know why we aren't seeing as many shot drops in 2025. We gotta talk about it in today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in to another video. Y'all tapped in to see what your boy Adventure is talking about. Shot drops. Y'all love shot drops. If you guys want more information from Nike, Jordan brand, what is going on, I need you guys to subscribe right now before we even get into the full details, and hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we drop on the channel, man. Run them likes up. You guys know every single like counts. And what all this being said, bro, we got some stuff to talk about. Where are these shot drops, man? All right, guys, so like I mentioned in the intro, bro, everybody and their mama swore we was gonna get a shot drop for the Black Cat 3s. And I was even in agreement with that happening. You know what I'm saying? We're coming to the new year. It ain't much dropping in January. And we did not get the rumored shot drop for the Black Cats. You know, say, okay, that's cool. They didn't do a shot drop for the Black Cat 4s. Maybe they're keeping that same type of energy. And then we get to these joints right here. Then we get to the black metallic joint. I said, hold on. We ain't getting a shot drop for probably one of the top 3 sneakers of the year? What's going on? Like, I don't even think it was exclusive access pushed out on the Nike sneakers app for these joints. For, not gonna say a mass-produced sneaker, but a general release. This is still classified a general release, although the stock has been getting cut down. But we didn't see exclusive access, and we did not get that beloved shot drop that we always see. And I said, bro, hold on, bro. What is going on? And then something clicked in my head. I said, you know what? Maybe the information that got pushed out from Mr. Unloved One, shouts out to you, bro. But everything is starting to make sense, bro. They said coming into 2025, the stock is going to be cut tremendously down from the last couple of years. And I think that's all due to the fact that everything was sitting, nobody was buying stuff, people was just trashing. Even some good sneakers people were trashing because they were sitting, calling them bricks, which makes people not want to get it. Everybody know everything relies on hype. You guys seen the Black Cat 3s was hyped up, and even these Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics, but we ain't seen no shot drop because Nike is cutting down on stock for a lot of these sneakers. Who in their right mind would have thought we didn't get a shot drop for the Black Metallic 5s? I did not think that at all. Like, I was in different, discords on IG, following a couple people saying, what's going on with these joints? Where are these shot drops? When is it happening? Kept getting those rumors, and I gotta push out you guys, because if it does happen, I want to at least be able to say I did help a couple people out. But these shot drops have not been happening. We are already on the second week of February, and that leads us to the Air Jordan 12 Flu Games, which released on March the 1st. And if we don't get a shot drop on these, bro, I'm telling you right now, bro, we ain't gonna see one for a very, very long time. We probably won't see a shot drop until we get to the Air Jordan 4 white cement release. And I'm only saying that because, again, that's another one of those classic colorways. Even this is a classic that they're gonna push a lot of pairs out. Still down trades from the stuff that we've seen in the last couple years. The stock has been tremendously cut, but if we don't see a shot drop for these or the white cement for OGs, bro, we can just kiss all that shot drop stuff goodbye, because if they ain't giving us what we really want in terms of shot drop, they cutting down on pairs. Just even looking at the Black Metallic 5s, I'm sorry I just keep reaching for shoes, but just these different ideas just coming at me every which way. But there were only like 40 to 60,000 pairs of these on the Nike sneakers app, meaning they only had 60,000 in their stock of wherever they ship out the pairs for people that hit on the sneakers app. So that tells you that there are not a lot of pairs in the warehouse for Nike sneakers, for that sector itself. There's not a lot of pairs, because if you do a shot drop for about like 20 or like 15,000 pairs, that cuts away from the initial drop, which these did drop, and they said like it was like 45 to 60,000 pairs, bro. But again, we ain't seen a shot drop in a while, and I'm getting a little nervous, bro. I'm getting a little nervous because you guys know, man, we love shot drops. We love when stuff, even though people know what's going to happen, it's still a thrill to have this shoe before it comes out. That's just the ultimate thrill, especially if you can get them for retail. Me, I'm not too pressed because I know I can get a lot of shoes early, but of course I'm gonna have to pay for it, over retail, primarily over retail. But for like a Black Metallic, a Flu Game, a white cement 4, a Galaxy, you will want to get it early. And that's something I did want to kind of talk about as well. I'm so sorry I'm all over the place, but I'm just thinking about all the different stuff Nike is doing. We got exclusive access on the Galaxy foam posits, and they did that all types of weird, but you would think, right, for Galaxy All-Star Weekend, you see a shock drop, but we ain't seeing nothing. I don't know what's going on. I need you guys to help me. Comment down below, let me know what you think about Nike and their direction that they're going with these shock drops, or the lack of shock drops, for, you know, a better word to use, because, bro, we ain't seen nothing yet, and we need to have something. We need something to give us some energy, some hype about some releases. And mostly one for the Galaxies or these Flu Game 12s, bro. We are in a world of trouble, and that means these pairs are really a lot more limited, and you have to put your footwork in for some of these upcoming releases. Don't stay in here first, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. It's always greatly appreciated for you guys to come tune in, come see what your boy DaVinci is talking about. I appreciate y'all so much. But if you are new here, sub up to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please run them likes up, man. Them likes go a long way. And yes, bro, we are coming back at you guys with some more content, so stick around for all the latest news in the sneaker community, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Ultimate say, your boy DaVinci, gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.